Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen Morgan, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something really interesting and fun. As you can see, I don't have black normal lashes. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this really pink vibrant lash look. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new posts like this. Now if you're interested in getting a tutorial on this eyelash look, then keep on watching. For the lashes, I got these on Amazon, but you can also find them on Shein for half the price. I'll leave both the links in my description, and I'm also going to be using this e.l.f. 16-Hour Cameo Concealer in the color Tan Sand to apply to the lashes to create a blank canvas for the color. When applying the concealer, you don't have to worry about making it neat because the objective is to create a base for the color to stick to. Once the concealer has dried down a little, I'm going to take this matte liquid lipstick in this hot pink color to apply to the lashes so that once I apply the powder on top, the color is more vibrant and opaque. With your lipstick and concealer, you want to make sure you apply thin layers so that your product dries faster. And once you've let the liquid lipstick dry down as well, you're going to be ready to apply the powder. Now, excuse the fingerprints on the palette, but I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette in the color Fruit Punch to pack on this really pretty, vibrant pink color on the lashes. And this is what they look like completely finished. Alright y'all, so now that I have let the lashes dry down for a little while, I am going to start applying them. Hopefully they're dry enough. I put pretty much a lot of concealer and lipstick on them, so they took a while to dry down, but I think they're pretty dry now. So I'm going to start applying them. I don't know if you could tell I'm in my room, so yeah, I'm on my bed. Hopefully I don't get pink residue all over the place, but we shall see. I have the lashes right here, and I'm gonna start applying them. I'm so excited, y'all. I hope the powder and stuff doesn't affect how well it sticks onto my eyelids. I use the same method, literally the exact same method as Raggedy Royal, and hers seem to go on pretty well, so I hope mine's do the same. But she may have used a little bit less product like the concealer and stuff, so that might be where I went wrong, but we'll see. This feels pretty heavy. Oh gosh, this feels pretty heavy. Alright, so this is how the lashes look, y'all. They look very loud, thick, and luxurious. I think they look crazy on me. I don't hate them though, for sure. Like, I think they still look cute. It's just really different. Very, very different. And I don't think it looks good with this lip, but it doesn't look too bad either. I guess I don't mind it. It's pretty cute. So yeah, so you have reached the end of this video. I forgot to let y'all know before, but before I put on lashes, I put on some concealer and the same pink eyeshadow that I use for my lashes on my real lashes to make each lash blend with my real lashes. And also after I put on the lashes, I went ahead in my inner corner and put some of the same eyeshadow that I used on my inner corner, so it doesn't just look like lash and skin, if you get what I mean. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below if you want to see any other videos from me, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new posts like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye y'all.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do?